Hi. Artificial intelligence is getting bigger and bigger now, and it has started impacting all the domains, profiles, industries, right? So this is the time for everyone to start learning artificial intelligence. And when it comes to learning artificial intelligence, lots of misinformation is available outside, lots of noise is available outside. Some are claiming that you need to be a superhuman or you need to do degrees from these particular institutes or universities only. But that's not the true. Okay, so today I would like to show how I mastered AI without any classes or any degree diploma as of now. Okay, so this is specifically for young generation. Typically if you are from 18 to 45. Okay, where we are going to talk about how to master artificial intelligence and how to build your career with artificial intelligence. And so far, I have not done any degree from anywhere or no certification at all. Okay, so how I learned AI from scratch without any formal education? Yes, there was learning, but there was no formal education. So let's dive into this lecture. Can you learn AI without formal education? So this is the theme of this particular lecture. Do you need to attend all these 4-year degrees or 3-year degrees? I have not attended that. Okay, so that's where we are focusing right now. Many people think that you need a degree or expensive course to master AI. That's not true. Reality, AI knowledge is free and accessible to anyone willing to learn. Okay, I mastered AI without classes, and here is how you can too. So first thing, rethink AI take is self-education is the best form of education. Always remember that if you want to learn anything, then rely on self-education. Why? Because when you go for courses or institutions, you see there is a pattern. First, they focus on theories, and then they are going to take your exams, and then they are going to have then pre-terms exams and final terms exam, and on the basis of they will decide who will be called educated, who will be called not qualified. The reason is out of the whole syllabus you pick a couple of topics only to justify the examination, right? What if I knew everything but I don't know about a few parameters? Is it the right parameter to judge me? And what if there is another candidate who knew only these three things, and by luck he is getting on these three things only? He is more qualified. That's the gap between our education system. Okay, when it comes to you know, I have learned so many subjects. I have talked about my own journey as well, uh, from self education. So if you are going to have a competition, my competition with someone who is coming from formal education background, like let's say MBA, okay, they are going to talk about more about theories. I don't know theories. I have practical experiences. They are going to talk about definitions. I know about topics, but I don't know the definition, which is totally aligned with the textbook format. Okay, so that's where I always say if you want to grow somewhere, always rely on self-education. So understanding what AI is. What is AI? It's basically a way where we are creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like human beings. Okay, types of AI. Machine learning, AI learns patterns from data. Okay, I have already covered all these things, but there is a brief about it again. Deep learning, AI mimics the human brain with the neural network. NLP and computer vision, a process where AI process where it process text, speech, and images, right? So how you should start your journey? This is just a brief. We have already covered it many times. So how you should start? Okay, start with community friendly Rethink AI videos and resources. Okay, you are getting tremendous resource from Rethink AI, and you should start from it. And I personally get myself involved to make sure these things are user friendly, community friendly, and you can get advanced learning from very beginning. What is Rethink AI take? Learn the basics first. advance later, and practice it regularly. Okay, if you are not practicing it, then it will create a very little difference for you. Okay, when I started my journey, okay, these things were not available like content like, but we are providing to you. Everything is totally customized for you in detail, in the form of lecture, okay, and everything has been properly explained. Everything is with examples, and in fact of giving you just theories only, I give the meaning behind those definitions or words, okay, or phrases. Okay, when I started my journey, it was not available. At that point of time, I thought this is the time to create something where young generation they can get quality learning and in a community friendly manner. Okay, that's why we are so much passionate about these lectures and content we are creating for you. Step two, start learning Python. This is the language of artificial intelligence. Okay, why Python? Basically, Python is a beginner friendly and easy to do, easy to read. Okay, whatever you want to say, easy to do or easy to read or easy to code. It has very powerful AI libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and okay. And I have talked about Python learning in one of the previous video as well. So go back, check all the videos again. Okay, best Python courses are, sometimes cursors move. Best you can, if you want to learn Python specifically, because we are not a coding company. Okay, you can learn it from Udemy, edX, Upgrade. Okay, so what is my suggestion? What is the tip? If you are new to coding, master Python basics before diving into AI projects. Okay, we all have to start our journey from somewhere. Okay, so if you are very new, then start focusing on Python. Okay, in 2008-9, I started learning from C. Then I learned C++, then HTML, and then Java. Okay, and it was all accomplished in 2008 to 2010, 11, something, into 3 year phrase. Okay, and then from that moment onward till 2010 to 2022, I had no connection or direct connection with coding or language, but somehow here and there, just because I was part of research, I kept on working on and off with languages. Okay, so somewhere we all have to start our journey, and this is your time. And when I say and learn Python, I would like to remind you that even after being the author of book ChatGPT Prompts for Coding, yes, we are, and this is ChatGPT Prompts for Coding is the best-selling product as of now from ReThynk AI. We have so many things, but this book is outselling everything on Amazon. Okay, even after being the author of book ChatGPT Prompts for Coding, still we recommend to learn coding. There are people who talk about like, and specifically in younger generation, uh, they are able to do the coding, but when you ask how, they don't know, because they are getting the code directly from Grok or Cloud 3.7, right? Why I recommend to learn coding even after being the author of book ChatGPT Prompts for Coding? The reason is very simple. Okay, software building is not just about code. Software building is about providing a holistic solution. So until you understand the core of it, how are you going to provide a holistic solution? How? If I don't know how language work or how artificial intelligence work, how I am going to create a holistic solution for businesses that are relying on me? It's not possible. I highly recommend please learn coding. Okay, the aim is not to get result fast now. We have artificial intelligence to get faster result. The aim is to go in the depth of it, understand why we are doing what we are doing. Okay, so learn coding. This is the best selling book, and high and with when you start learning Python and practicing, get the access of this book from amazon.com and start practicing these prompts as well. I have provided you complete solution 630 actionable prompts for debugging, testing, integration, and deployment as well. It's like your complete solution. And then take your Python learning and ChatGPT prompts for coding parallelly. I will ask team to provide the link in the comment section. Now let's focus on hands-on AI learning, building real projects. Okay, how I practiced AI, because when I started, there was no tools and there was no way to have this user-friendly, community-friendly content on internet. So we started at creating it at ReThynk. I started experimented with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, and all other tools like Cloudy. Grok comes a bit later. Okay. I started working at a very early phase. I built different AI workflows, systems. Sometime when it was just the beginning, in very little information was available. I started doing it with paper and pen. Okay, this is the and how I do all this, adaptation of artificial intelligence in business. Okay, this is critical topic. So I do it adaptation of artificial intelligence into business by making those graphs and graphs, sketch, characteristic curves, everything on piece of paper. Okay, so when you work on the ground level, when you understand the workflow, you become really better. Then I prepared, instead of relying outside, I prepared 24,000 prompt use cases for the team and global audience. And these are already available. This is the screenshot from Amazon.com. Okay, we have provided you 40 books, both in Kindle edition, paperback edition, and hardcore edition. So how you can take the maximum advantage of these use cases, get the access of both KDP, okay, ebook and paperback book. If you want, then you can have hardcover as well as of now, okay, but have both KDP and paperback book, so that if you are in emergency, you are just about to reach in a meeting, or you are just doing on a project, you can access the prompt through your Amazon Kindle account, and you can use it on a short notice, right? And have the paperback book so that you can have true understanding why we have written what we have written. What is the meaning of one phrase? Okay, what is the meaning of one sentence? If we have mentioned any question, why we have mentioned that question? Okay, at ReThynk AI, nothing is random. Okay, or nothing is coincidence. So highlight everything, highlight a question. Like you are getting, let's say this is a prompt about mm, being author, okay, and you are facing some writer block. So how you can address it? Okay, there are different prompts. Now do some experiments of your own. Okay, like what if I pick a part of this prompt and add in this prompt, or what if I mix these three prompts parallelly? What will be the difference in terms of the final outcome? Okay, so get both Kindle book and paperback book. Okay, and these are I also use the same prompt use case. To be very frank, I believe what is the ideal standard of a company, and how I show up with all confidence all the time, while there are others who are unable to have this much of aura or confidence. Because there is a story, I read this story a long time back. Okay, and this story comes from Europe, and there is a hotel in Europe. In that hotel, if you visit this particular hotel, there is a sentence has been written on the wall, okay, in the form of as a you know as a message from management to the visitors, and the message is very pretty clear that owner of this restaurant or owner of this hotel also eat at the same places. Look at the quality of quality and their standard. It means we are providing such a quality that we are not only believe that it's good for our customer, but we believe that it's good for us as well. So when I work in artificial intelligence, when I work in ReThynk AI, okay, then we work with such standard that even if I have to learn or the same material, or if I am going to read the same material, I trust it 100% completely. Let's say after 1 year, after a long time, not 1 year, but after a couple of years, my own kids are going to learn artificial intelligence and they are going to read the same material which we are making. I will have no problem because I always keep the content quality to that less standard that if my own family get the access of it, I am sure about they are getting the right quality and right knowledge. And when I become assured about it, then I say, okay, that's the final product. That's product we are going to publish now. So get both ebook and paperback. Ebook to access prompts on a quick note, and paperback to do your own experimentation. Some of the best beginner AI project, read Rethink AI magazine for new ideas. Rethink AI magazine, and specifically, I would like to highlight one more thing. Earlier, Rethink AI magazine had 40 pages. Okay, from this month, we are taking the standard to new height, and this has never been done in Rethink AI ever. We are doing it for the first time. The magazine standard has been doubled. So instead of 40 pages, now just because the readers are growing, the community is growing, we are taking it from 40 pages to 80 pages. Okay. So that you can have depth knowledge, you can have access of every particular tool, ideas, and theories. Okay, so get the Rethink AI magazine, read it, and look for new ideas there. Look for new projects there. Okay, it will solve most of your problems. Then follow the theories that are provided on website of Rethink AI. These theories will help you, expand your entire exposure about artificial intelligence. Getting hands-on AI learning is really essential. Get the access of prompt use cases, okay, to practice them around various ideas like from content writing to book writing to business management to leadership and women leadership, business women and Python and data science. Okay, everything has been customized and available for you. I think I always recommend always work from the bottom of your heart. Okay, if you want a sense of assurance, if you want a sense of success from very beginning, even when you are starting your project, okay, if you believe in this idea or in this project from the bottom of your heart, then it will be success. Okay, so work from the bottom of your mastering machine learning and deep learning. Key topics I learned initially. Machine learning's basics like regression, classification, clustering, model evaluation. Then I went into deep learning, neural networks, CNN for images, RNN for text. Okay. And then I started thinking about how we can, use artificial intelligence models for increase in the performance of businesses. That was a different level. Then learn ML basics and deep learning. So now it's time for you to learn ML basics and deep learning. Okay, the take is why I'm recommending all these things for you to learn. The take is learn the basics concept first and connect all the dots later. If you are not connecting all these dots, then knowledge has 21st century belongs to those who can learn and then connect all the dots in a meaning. Okay, if you are unable to connect all the dots of your learning, your knowledge is in the form of packet and it's not going to help you. Ideal aim is to learn things and then form proper correlation between them like a grid. Step 5, applying AI to real world problems. Okay, project that helped me learn faster. Prompt creation for the 40 different subjects. So what is the basic, what is the, how I learned fast from this method? You have different topics, right? And this was, I think this took 2 years for us to complete this whole project. Let's say first you are working on, let's take the example of coding. I did coding, right? Now I have to prepare solutions for others, including businesses, professionals, students, college movers. Okay, and even those who are into artificial intelligence directly, and those who are not in artificial intelligence, but their business depends on artificial intelligence, like you are in fashion industry, like you are in marketing, like you are in automobile. So when I started working on these projects, I have to work on every possible topic from the global scenario. What if a person from United States of America follow this prompt? What if someone from Europe follow this prompt? What if someone from Australia follow this prompt? What if someone from India follow this prompt? Okay, and I'm really glad to tell you that our book are selling globally. Okay, our book are selling globally. I'm really happy that I invested, instead of running for money, I invested 2 years of my life in creating something which is helping people around the world. And this is really, really remarkable. So get some projects where you can use artificial intelligence. Even make your schedule that for, let me type it. Let's say I give you a project, 100 days project. Work on this idea. Here you are going to use artificial intelligence maybe for content creation, coding, data science, or doing your own projects, including preparing for coming board meetings. And don't worry, it's not hard. ReThynk AI has already provided you all the resources. Okay. Or marketing related. You can take marketing related project, but make it a rule that for next 100 days you are going to pick one topic and you will work on it uh, every day, day one, day two, day three. And when you do, take a screenshot or record a video and drop it on the LinkedIn and drop it on Instagram, Twitter. Okay, and use hashtag rethink AI. Let me give you the hashtag as well. Check Rethink AI, so that we are going to, the team from Rethink AI is going to check it, and if there is necessary information is needed, we are going to help you. Okay. Then comes next, prepare theories. Preparing. Then in my case, the second thing which helped me in preparing theories for artificial intelligence, which are already available, then practicing various projects from writing content, codings, studying various LLMs models, and working with diverse teams, right? And this thing helped me in getting real world experience. Then in the initial stage, worked with Rethink AI signature projects like Rethink AI magazine. Okay, so Rethink AI, it was Rethink AI signature project. Theories were also signature project for Rethink AI at initial stage. Now I work directly on Rethink AI theories and Rethink AI theories and learnings platform where I'm here to help you directly. But one significant Rethink AI signature project, which was magazine, has been now a collaboration between Team Vista Libreta and Team Rethink AI. Okay, so I'm now giving my time to theories and taking care of your learnings. Tips: choose a real world problem and solve it using artificial intelligence. Pick any real world problem and do it with the help of artificial intelligence, and follow this 100-day AI projects challenge. Next, what is Rethink AI take? Identify the real world problems where you can practice the artificial intelligence. The aim is not to have more content and more theories. The aim is to have your greater success with the help of artificial intelligence. That's my take. That's my aim as of now. Staying updated and networking in AI. This is essential. Okay. Networking is the power. When I started beginning, when I started my journey, I always had a separate budget for networking. Let's say I'm reaching somewhere, sending a cake to someone to strengthen the relationship, gifting books, or traveling for networking event or something. Okay, networking is really essential for you. So how I learned and updated myself, I followed AI news, primarily OpenAI blogs, global AI, Google AI research, Then I was part of different AI communities like LinkedIn AI groups, Twitter AI discussions, and so on. Okay, and when I started writing on Twitter, it was early beginning, but I was working, complete passion like I always do. Okay, and with this, LinkedIn gave me a top artificial intelligence AI voice tag. I don't know what is the meaning of it, but how it's going to relate me and my community together. But I did it, and LinkedIn gave me this top artificial intelligence AI voice tag. Okay, so I'm showing you that don't only tell you what you need to do, but I do as well. Okay, and continue to different, and I contributed to different AI projects, including signature project of ReThynk AI. I wrote on various AI platforms, including LinkedIn, Twitter, and now I'm working on YouTube as well. Okay, so what is my tip? Stay updated with AI progress with ReThynk AI. Okay, revise all the videos from ReThynk AI page, read magazines, theories, and it will take you ahead. Okay, recently I have made this video as well, what makes you a rockstar engineer in AI. And go back, watch this video, because now you have got all the gist of artificial intelligence. It's time for you to monetize your AI skills. Yeah, a good education must serve three purposes. One, it makes you a good human. The first aim of education is it must make you a good human being. Second thing, it's give you some source of earning, whether you are working as a freelancer or you are getting it as a royalty in the form of royalty, or you are making some form of passive income. I get royalty, I have passive income as well. I have both. Okay. So the second is, first is, education must make you a good human being. Second, it must give you a source of earning, whatever your preferable way may be. Okay, and third, it must have a possibility of taking you ahead as a human being, so that you can leave your mark on the planet. Okay, so ways you can earn with artificial intelligence: freelancing, helping businesses integrate artificial intelligence tool, that's a possibility. AI SaaS products, you can make AI SaaS products, developing AI powered automation tools. Okay, best platform for AI freelancer is Upwork, Fiverr for AI gigs. These tools, Upwork and Fiverr has already started the platform, and the individual who are working there, they have already started, using artificial intelligence for creating content or sort of providing the services. You also can do that. Next, LinkedIn jobs for AI startups. Okay, please be part of LinkedIn and take complete advantage of it for your growth. Okay, I'm still active on artificial intelligence, and these are the way you can, monetize your AI skills. And please watch this video. I will ask the team to provide the link in the comment section. Rethink AI, monetize your skills to build your career. It's not about just learning. Okay, only learning without source of earning will make you hopeless. Okay. So the key to mastering AI without classes: first, self-learning plus hand-on practice is equal to AI mastery. For a mastery in any field, you need two things: the in-depth knowledge about it, okay, or you can say self-learning, then hands-on practice. Start with Python, build some AI projects, stay updated with ReThynk AI, monetize your AI skill through freelancing, product development, or teaching, and stay connected so that in future, if there is new development, I can give you um, update about that as well. Tips: consistency, curiosity, and ReThynk AI resources is all you need. Trust me, when I started my journey, I found no place like ReThynk AI where we get complete knowledge about artificial intelligence, complete learning, and not only learning, but we get complete exposure about artificial intelligence and development. Okay, ReThynk AI, build your own learning schedule to have consistency. So what is my preferable schedule is? My preferable schedule is I get up at 4:35 a.m. every day. Okay, and after getting up at 4:35, I give myself 10 minutes to read something positive, start my day with my own goals, right? And then I switch to my learning schedules where these days I'm learning robotics. Okay, Rethink AI has, as of now, it's not official, it has not been declared, but Rethink AI is working in the field of artificial, in the field of think planning in the field of robotics, and maybe in 2026 or 2027 earliest possible, mm, Rethink AI will start its journey in the field of robotics. Okay, so I'm not giving you the schedule which you should follow. I'm also following the same schedule. My schedule is fixed. Morning is for learning. Okay, so build your own schedule and give yourself 1 to 2 hours every day in learning and practicing. What are final thought? You can master AI too. Okay, and wherever you need help, we are there to support you. I mastered AI through self-learning, and so can you. AI is accessible to everyone with the right strategy. Okay, practical experiences matter more than the degrees. I told you I never had any formal education in the field of artificial intelligence, and I'm not getting any formal education in the field of robotics as well. I would like to tell you something that getting formal education is not a tough task for me, and I don't need education loan to get admissions. I don't need. Okay, still my schedule is so packed that I don't have time to visit colleges or institutions to get the education. Okay, I have to manage businesses. I have to take care of my readers. I have to manage teams as well. Then I have to work on my development, my learning, so I don't have time. So I'm following self-learning instead of formal education. I don't have money problem. I can get admission anytime, right? Without getting any education loan. I can fund my own learnings, but I believe that self-learning is far more important for me. Self-learning is going to give me better perspective about learning. So I follow self-learning. And to be very frank, practical experiences matter more than the degrees. So start today and take control of your AI learning journey. Okay. What your next AI learning step? Whatever use your learn AI next AI learning step. From my perspective, your next AI learning step is start with mm, making your schedule, how I'm going to learn, and then follow hashtag 100 days AI project. Okay, and share it with us on hashtag rethink AI. If you have any thoughts, drop in the comment section. I hope you are getting reply to all your artificial intelligence related comment. If you are not, let me know and I will talk to Team Vista Libreta. They have, uh, just to make sure you get timely and correct reply. I I pay them money. Okay, they are not working free for us. They are our marketing partner, and we are providing them for their services. Why we are providing them resources? Why we are paying them for their services? So that you get the quality learnings, all your queries get resolved. Okay, that's why they are our marketing partner, and we have handed over all the marketing related work of Rethink AI to them. Okay, master AI, transform your career and build your future, most importantly. Okay, and what is one more take is build your personal brand. It's more than social media presence now. Okay, please, please, please build your brand. Okay, and then this was something was I was doing. Actually, someone asked a question on Twitter that how many golf balls can fit in a Volkswagen Jetta. Okay, so I was working with a different tool. That's how I test. Okay, I don't come up with my opinion until I worked on different platforms. So just to get that answer, I worked everything from ground level and that how many golf balls you can have in a Volkswagen Jetta, and the answer is 60,000. So thank you so much. Just with an aim to have greater success for you, this is another lecture from Rethink AI presented by me, founder director of Rethink AI, prepared and researched by team, Rethink AI, presentation prepared by team Vista Libreta. They are our marketing partner. If you have any complaint for Vista Libreta, you can reach out to me directly, or if you want to talk to them, and this is the direct their numbers, you can send them a WhatsApp message. Okay, and they are going to respond. Till then, have a great, take care of yourself. See you make bigger success. See you soon, and I wish you make bigger success in artificial intelligence. and most importantly, have greater success for you. See you soon in another lecture.